Hey guys, how to find Apple ID password. To find your Apple ID password, the easiest method is to check your device's password app on your phone, right? So I'm gonna try to pin down password, okay? And then open it up and check if your Apple ID password is in there, okay? Or reset it through your Apple ID settings. So go ahead to the main settings, click your account right here, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the sign in and security. All right. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. And of course, you're gonna see your email, your password, and all that stuff, right? And you're gonna reset it via your iCloud by clicking right here, change password, right? If you have access to a trusted device. If you don't have access to a trusted device, you will need to reset it through the Apple support website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.